Imagine yourself in this 2018 Kia Soul. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include 201 horsepower, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, air conditioning with climate control, audio controls on steering wheel, auto-shift manual transmission, Bluetooth, clock, in-radio display, compressor, intercooled turbo and cruise control. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.